Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a 2011 Hyundai Sonata key fob. Start by removing the mechanical key and twisting the case gently with a flathead screwdriver. Pry open the shell along the seam and lift out the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery orientation before inserting the new one, then snap the case back together and test the remote at the car. Use a clean workspace and remove the mechanical key first so you have a clear pry point for the screwdriver. Insert the flathead into the seam and twist gently to avoid cracking plastic. Work your way around if it feels stuck, then lift the top cover off carefully to expose the battery and circuit board without bending any contacts. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support simple car fix videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music and voice timers while you work. It makes hands-free tasks easier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. With the cover open, observe the CR2032 battery orientation, usually positive side up, and remove the old battery using your fingertip or small tool. Insert the new CR2032 the same way and press it into its holder until secure. Close the fob halves until they click, reinsert the mechanical key, and test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm proper operation before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.